In this video, we can talk about top 5 AI writer alternatives and competitors. Hey everyone, welcome to our Alternatives Co-channel. Today, we have an exhilarating video in store for you as we explore the best alternatives to AI Rytr. Whether you're an aspiring writer or a seasoned content creator, the top 5 alternatives of AI Rytr, including Writersonic, Jasper, Copy AI, Rytr, and Pro Writing Aid, can unleash your creativity and help you enhance your content creation capabilities. So, what's the wait for? Let's witness the power of these remarkable platforms by starting the video. Let's start with Writersonic. Writersonic is an AI-powered that offers a wide range of writing tools to assist you in creating high-quality content effortlessly. It offers great features like Story Generator, Article Summarizer, Text Expander, and Surfer SEO integration. Whether you want to write blogs, send emails for sales, or wish to create Google Ads, Writersonic can be an excellent companion. Its standout feature lies in the versatility of its language model, capable of producing high-quality content. Next up, we have Jasper AI. Jasper is an innovative AI writing platform whose advanced language model can understand context and generate coherent and natural-sounding text. It offers features like Chrome extension, SEO-optimized content, brand voice and memory, and real-time updates. Jasper is designed to assist you in crafting immersive narratives, interactive storytelling, and even dynamic dialogue. One of the standout features of Jasper is its ability to give multilingual support and to let you write in more than 25+ languages. Moving on to Copy AI. Copy AI is a powerful copywriting tool designed to help you create compelling and persuasive content. It offers features like AI writing templates, AI writing generators, tone checker, and sentence formatting. Copy AI can be your secret weapon for attention-grabbing headlines, irresistible sales emails, and compelling social media posts. And one of its standout features lies in its ability to generate persuasive marketing copy that not only grabs attention, but also drives conversions like never before. Our fourth alternative is Rytr. Rytr is an AI writing tool that aims to simplify the content creation process and offers various writing modes to cater to different needs. It offers features like SEO of Analyzer, text editing, and video channel descriptions. Rytr provides content generation for various use cases and allows you to interact with AI in a conversational manner. However, the true standout feature of Rytr lies in its collaborative capabilities, enabling seamless teamwork and effortless content creation. Last but not least, we have Pro Writing Aid. Pro Writing Aid is a comprehensive writing tool that goes beyond grammar and style checking to provide you with in-depth analysis and suggestions for improvement. It offers features like data visualization, contextual guidance, grammar check, and plagiarism detection. Whether you're a professional writer or a student who wants to improve your writing, Pro Writing Aid can be an invaluable tool. And one of its standout features is its ability to generate an extensive range of writing reports that help you enhance your writing style and polish your work to perfection. Compared to AI Rytr, Writersonic offers a versatile AI writing assistant capable of generating a wide range of content. Jasper takes creativity to new heights by assisting in crafting immersive narratives and interactive storytelling. Copy AI, on the other hand, excels at creating attention-grabbing headlines and generates persuasive marketing copy. Rytr is an excellent AI tool that enables the creation of exceptional content in various languages. And Pro Writing Aid provides a comprehensive writing tool that refines your craft with precision. If you're seeking the best all-in-one AI writing tool that offers exceptional content generation and advanced features, we would recommend Writersonic as the best alternative to AI Rytr. With its versatile capabilities, it enables the effortless creation of engaging blog posts and produces compelling content to grab huge attention. Writersonic is the ideal choice for writers looking to excel in various writing styles and niches. We hope this comparison has provided valuable insights to help you choose the right AI writing tool for your business or creative endeavors. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notified when we create more such useful videos.